guys, today in this tutorial I gonna show you how to install and run code blocks. So here is my code blocks open. So I will show you how to install this compiler. So it is very easy to do. Follow the steps. First you have to go to this link. I have provided it in the description. If you want to download, you will check out the link. Then click here downloads and the download page will open, and here you have to click this setup exe, this the code blocks 17.12 mingw setup exe. After downloading the file, run it. The setup will open. I have already installed it, but I will show you how to install it. Then you have to click here next, and here is the destination folder. You can browse it. Let's open our code blocks. The first, I am quitting it now. You have to give your project name. I am showing you how to do this. So here there will be an option named create a new project. Click on it, and there will be many applications here, but you have to select consoles and click here consoles application. Then there will be an setup like page. Click here next. Then you have to choose what programming language you want to. I am choosing it C. Then you have to give it a name. I am giving it test .1. Then click here next. Then you have to finish it. After doing this, there will be blank page. Then you have to go to the site and see here there will be an option named sources, and besides it there will be a plus option. Click here and a file will open. Then double click here and a page with program will open. So if you want to know if your code blocks is running well or not, then click here. There will be an build option, or you can build and run it with F9. So I am doing here with F9, and it will take some time to build and run it. After building and running it, there will be a black command prompt like user interface. Then you have to click enter. So our code blocks is running well. So by this you can create many applications and C++ programming languages. You can also create the JavaScript languages also. So thanks for watching. Goodbye guys.